Thank you.
Thank you.
What noise?
The mating.
Hey, what's poppin'? Follow me. Why are you in my room? No, not all the viewers are now in my room. Can't happen. Not allowed.
Stop
Weird
making a
juju.
noise. And then
Oh, stop making a noise. I don't know if you can hear me because it's windy ass. But yeah, we're here on the Reserve Dakota States. It is Big 5 and he is going to take us for a bushwalk. Yeah, we're going to go to the dam and see if we can find some animals.
So we're going to the close to 7 Swatini waterfalls today.
We are at a beautiful place. It's called Swatini Waterfalls. It's in the Bladder River Nature Reserve. It's close to the wall of the dam. You know what? Ask that man over there. He's a guide.
Yeah, he's our
Tell
guide.
us about it all.
He's our guide.
Ladies and gents, we are in the Bladder River Canyon. This is the third largest canyon in the world. It is the greenest canyon in the world, and it is probably the most beautiful place in the world because it has 4 biomes here. It has 4 incredible. You have the fynbos, you have the grassland, you have the savanna, and you have the forest biome, which is like only 1% of the total biome like in South Africa.
Also, I want to say thank you to 30 South Sunglasses because they design and we explore. Now let's see.
Don't know why you got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time, waste of time.
Hey guys, as you know, the SATownTour is mostly revolved around finding hidden gems in South Africa that no one knows about. So this waterfall here, I think Daniel told me that only the locals of this area knows that this waterfall exists. And if guys, it's like one of the most beautiful waterfalls we have ever seen. It is about how high is it? 100. Yeah. See, like, it's absolutely insane. How the fuck are we gonna get there? Oi! Where's my camera?
Going to shoot a promotional for my brother's company, which is called Experience Africa, and yeah, what can I say, best
Nice.
boom best safari company in the country. So if you guys want to have adventures, find cool animals and just have a great time, find Experience Africa. We'll link it below. But yeah, so we're gonna shoot a promotion for them, have a good time in Kruger, hopefully find some dope animals. Yeah, it's nice being back. Guys, we're at SATownTour now.
Okay, cool.
Hey? We're so leopard. This is a studio, guys. Like, so we're at my brother's house. I don't even know if I've mentioned this. And by the time you see this, we're definitely not going to be here anymore because we're leaving tomorrow. But yeah, we're at my brother's house here in Mudidlo. And today we're going to go get some tattoos done. We're meant to go to Mariepskop today. But if you look there, you can't see the mountain because of the cloud. So if you're up there, you can't see anything because you're in the cloud. So yeah, we decided to switch it with maybe tattoos. We might go there tomorrow, but tomorrow we have to go back to Nelspruit, so we're just gonna have to check time.
Oh my soul, look at this man. Look at this boss man.
I don't know what's poppin'. La Bamba. As you can see there, Daniel and Kayla. As you can see, here's our Volvo. You can see Mom and Dad being cute. Why did you call me in?
Yeah, I was gonna get drinks for while we're getting tattoos.
My favorite achievements.
How you doing, dude?
Good thing.
It's been a long time, bro. It's been a long time.
Let's go into the outlet.
Teddy on the finger if possible. The little hippie bus I want to put here on the foot. Then that moon and sun. Not sure where I want them, thinking back of the arm.
How long have you been here for?
I don't actually know. I think we got here 3, 4.
It's 9:45 now.
Yeah, it's been 6.
How much tattoos did you get?
Bobs, I got 6.
6.
Yeah. So now I have 11.
In
And
total.
just for a quick plug as well, out of the 11, 9 of them come from Alex.
We'll insert
crazy.
his Instagram handle.
All the other ones are going to come from Alex as well.
Here's Hoodspruit's biggest hidden gem.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah.
Literally. Buzzing.
Bro, that one next to you looks dope.
Yeah, Kayla's going for hers now. This is the initial ink.
That's so chilled. I spoke too soon.
How you feeling, mate?
Stressing. Excitement.
You're stressing?
Yeah, but it's exciting.
Why are you stressed?
Because I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Oh wait, well cheers. His face says it all. You guys wouldn't have seen too much of it, it was just B-roll basically. But last night was pretty cool. We went to my mate Alex. He's the first person who ever tattooed me, and I told him I'm only going to get tattoos from him. Where's your corner?
I've got them.
Oh. And yeah, we ended up getting tattooed. The last tattoo was tattooed at like 1:30 in the morning.
No, it wasn't.
When was it?
10 to 1.
Earlier than that.
1:45, and then we just chatted.